name's Elizabeth Bueno, and today we are at Lake Mead, and we're gonna walk the railroad trail. Right there. There's a lizard right there. That is amazing, right?
Yeah.
So cool.
There we go. Oh shoot. It's going up. There we go.
Hi,
lizard.
Hi, lizard. It's like dropping a little bit of the rocks.
It's crawling. We should go.
So we just see the caves right over there. It's right over there. And can't wait to go see it. Yes. There's a golden retriever. Little one. Digging the tunnels. And this is so much shade. Yeah. It's kind of easy to see. I tried to do flamingo style. Huh? Pleasure. Cheese. So dark.
Aisha.
Okay, let's go. Come on. It's a little darker over here. No. No bats hanging around. Really? Oh, yes. I can barely even see him poop. That's right. It's not a rat.
They just straight up blew it up.
It's a rat there. I don't see any bats. No bats hanging around? Oh god, I can smell poop. Bat poop. There's the second cave. Now we just have to walk another thing. So these diggers dug a lot. These diggers dug a log. Oh. There's the water right over there. Right over there. Isn't that cool? Right over there, the cave. That cave. And it's so far away. It's like 1 mile away. Just to tell you, I'm afraid of heights. So afraid. And this is how deep we are. Like so high. Yeah.
picture.
Between May and early October. In the fall and winter, the bats may go to a warmer location in the area or to Mexico to hibernate. Please do not disturb bats. Mexican free-tailed bats.
Ooh.
So don't yell.
Just kidding. I wonder what happens when you do disturb them.
They fly around and they attack you. Oh yeah. You saw those things like sticking out and stuff?
Yeah.
I was just talking about. Cool. Those are probably made to hold up the wood.
Probably.
And that's poop.
Oh, good.
I don't know. No, I just don't want that.
I'm still seeing. Oh, I'm seeing the bats. These are pretty cool caves and a lot of poop. A lot of poop, bat poop.
She's farther behind. Come on, hey.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Where's the mommy, Elijah?
And no more caves. No more caves.
That is a very cool lizard.
Yeah, lizard.
Oh, look, mom's going.
Lizard.
Like when we're so close to the cave. So close.
We're in the cave now.
Yeah.
The third cave, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this one's way more longer.
Are you recording?
Huh? Yeah, I am.
Okay. You have a bunch of hats.
So we just finished eating right over there, and we are about to go back to the car, but we have to go back all the way over there.
Want to hold it?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
And you have to walk all the way over there. Thanks for watching, guys. This is the end of the video. I'm really tired, but thanks for watching. Leave a like below, and bye.